Surrounding us are cove forests formed within the gorges that are created by the creeks that feed Fall Creek Falls. You can find yellow buckeye, eastern hemlocks that are hundreds of years old, and American beech trees throughout this area. We are so thankful for these protected forests, and we are especially thankful for the people who help us find them, identify all of the great things about them, and most importantly, protect them. Old-growth forests are not only immeasurably valuable ecologically, but they also promote a sense of peace, connection with nature, and aesthetic appreciation for native biodiversity. Fall Creek Falls State Natural Area provides all of these values.
Prior to before the park was set aside, they did do a lot of logging, but as Randy mentioned, down in these canyons, they couldn't get down in there to some of these big hemlock trees, big basswood buckeye, yellow birch. They couldn't get down in there to get them. The boulders in some of these places are bigger than the equipment they were using to haul them out.
Fall Creek Falls State Natural Area represents Van Buren County, Tennessee, in the Old Growth Forest Network as our 109th forest. The Old Growth Forest Network currently spans 24 states.